In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your window motor on the driver door for a 2016 to 2020 Kia Optima. Use a plastic trim tool or your hand and remove this mirror cover. It's held in by two clips. Use a pick or a flathead and remove this rubber cover. Underneath is one of the two bolts you have to remove the door panel. Also use a pick or a flathead and you can remove this plastic cover. This has the second bolt you have to remove. Using a Phillips head, you're going to remove these two bolts. Using a clip remover or a plastic trim tool or a flathead, you're going to remove the panel. The panel is just held in by clips. Now you can lift the door panel off, but there's some wires in the back that you have to remove. For the window switch, push down the little tab and then you can pull it right out. Same here, push down on the little tab and then you can pull the wire straight out. For the door handle, there's 4 screws that you could take out to remove. There's also another way to remove it without taking out the screws that I will also show. The easier way, while it's still attached to the door panel, just push down this little tab and then you can pull it right out without removing the screws. And when it's time to put it back, you just clip it right back in. To remove the wire on the window motor, there's a clip on the top and the bottom of the wire. Push down on both and then you can pull it right out. Using a Phillips head, you can remove the 3 bolts that are holding in the motor. And that's how you take out the window motor. And to put the new one back in, you just reverse all the steps.